Welcome back. So, I had my surgery on Friday, July 12th. It is now Monday, July 15th, and just got back from my follow-up appointment at the doctor's. He said everything is going smooth. I mentioned that the area of my groin where I had the inguinal hernia is a little numb, and he said that that's normal. That's part of the swelling. I might even have some swelling into my left testicle, which I've already experienced a little bit of, but all of that's going to go away over time. For the most part, I'm doing very well. I don't have any problems standing up or down. I'm walking normally. There's no over exaggerated gait in one direction or the other. And he expects me to make a full recovery. So that's great news. I'm feeling great. And, I feel inside that I could get out and go run a marathon right now, but I know that's not the case. I got to take it day by day and slowly, little by little. But each day I can feel my stride getting stronger, sitting down and getting up, becoming quicker and easier and more fluid, more natural like it was before. I do have pressure in the area where the hernia was still. And again, that was a question I asked about, and the doctor said that will be going away in time as well. But overall, I'm very happy with the DeSarda no mesh technique. I'm happy that I don't have a foreign object in my body right now. And from here and moving forward, this point moving on, it's just a matter of my body reacting to itself and healing itself from within. And in addition to that, there are a number of things I need to make sure I do as well, which is eating correctly and not overexerting myself and not trying to come back too quickly from a surgery of this magnitude. So to kind of elaborate on that a bit, I will be doing a short video or adding to this video at a later date of some frequently asked questions and give some advice as to what some good foods to eat leading up to surgery are, what good foods to avoid. Now keep in mind, this is not any medical opinion, disclaimer. This is my personal opinion. You can choose to agree or disagree. It's totally up to you. I'll just tell you the kind of diet I led up to this procedure and the kind of diet I'm going to have moving forward since I've had it. Pretty healthy guy. I pride myself on staying in shape. I bounced back from the surgery pretty well, I'd say, given the amount of time that it's been. So I'd like to share my knowledge of my experience with others so that hopefully that can be a positive influence on you as you consider getting this or as you get this and go through your own healing process, because everybody heals differently. But at the end of the day, we all want to be healthy. At least that's what I hope. So that's all for now. Glad you guys could join me up to this point in my journey. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. I will respond to every single question. If you need anything in detail, perhaps we could set up an email or something, who knows. Subscribe, like, that's what all the people say on here. Like, I really could care less, but if you want to subscribe, I'll put some helpful stuff out there. So go ahead. Either way, take care, and I hope this helps somebody.